In our business, the bottom line is clean water, both clean drinking water and clean wastewater. And we build our plants to do that work, and we operate the plants with the technology that will help us accomplish that.
Our plant was put online 20 years ago, and when I started then, we had an older building before we built our new water treatment plant, and we had actual pins that we put in to make our wells come on. And it was ran off a two-line cable that went from pole to pole. Then we went to a new water treatment plant, and then it went to a radio type system. And then it's gone to fiber and stuff like that. So it's come a long ways. It's a lot faster. There's a lot less headaches.
Technology has really come in handy for wastewater. We have so many different process operations. It's great to have for data collection that we use so we can tell how our plant is operating. Day-to-day operations, flat out. You know, it's quick, it's efficient.
We have certainly quicker capabilities of monitoring our plants and finding where we've got operational concerns that develop during the day or in the evening. We have remote access to these plants for monitoring when we don't have personnel on-site working, and that's a huge step from what it was prior to the 20 years ago.
From home, I have a computer, so if I were to get a phone call from the water treatment plant, I would instantly pull up that computer and look at our screen. That is the same one that we seen at the water treatment plant, and look what is going on. Is it a pump? Is it a major problem, or is it just a malfunction of a chemical feed pump or a pressure drop or something? So we would address it according to how we see it at home.
I enjoy it because I can pull up data anytime I need it. So if I want to see the way the VLRs are working, I can pull up that data and say, okay, we have dissolved oxygen and such. That tells me what kind of strength of the waste that's coming in.
These are expensive structures that we have, and they don't operate unless we have personnel operating them, and personnel can't operate them unless they have the information fed back to them to make base their decisions on.